But you know, Tara is not like that. You know, she is no bullshit girl.
Yeah.
If you are not nice to me, I'm not gonna nice to you.
Yeah.
Marriage is just one thing for the society, and if there's no connect, like there's no marriage.
My mother used to tell me कि तुम क्या मिरर के सामने खड़े होके नौटंकी करती रहती हो, ड्रामाबाजी करती रहती हो. And I've started doing theatre also quite early. Then I started doing very serious theatre like when I was in college. And I've realized that I am my most honest self when I'm acting.
I have a different process when I'm performing such kind of scenes. I don't share my energy with anybody. I don't connect with anybody's eyes as well. I don't see my eyes as well.
Hello everyone, this is your host Riya, and today we have with us Surbhi Jyoti and Zainabat Khan with us. Welcome to Instant Bollywood.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
कैसे हो आप?
We are good. How are you?
Well, I'm also good, and first of all, congratulations for Guna. Already it's out, and fans are in love with your performance, and also your roles are very different.
Yeah.
And personally, I have seen it, so I'm in love already with love. with
Thank you so
Good
much.
girl.
We are good.
ओके सो जहाँ गुना ऐसी सीरीज़ है जहाँ पर प्यार भी है, हार्ट ब्रेक भी है, रिवेंज भी है, बदला भी है. सो ओवरऑल हाउ वाज योर एक्सपीरियंस वर्किंग विद दिस प्रोजेक्ट एंड व्हाट स्पेशल गुना हैज़ गिवन टू यू?
For me, Guna has given me a satisfaction. You know, जो as an actor शायद हर कोई ढूंढता है किसी एक character में. It's just, I'm not saying it just for the sake of it because it's an interview and I have to say it to promote the show. This is actually a very different role. You know, she's not just a hardcore heroine जो सब ठीक ही करेगी, अच्छा ही करेगी क्योंकि वो एक अच्छी लड़की है. You know, she is a very common girl next door और वो वही करती है जो सिचुएशन के हिसाब से उसे लगता है कि उसे करना चाहिए. अपनी अपब्रिंगिंग के हिसाब से, you know, she is very much influenced. उसके फादर ने उसको बहुत कुछ सिखाया है, गलत या ठीक जो भी है उसने अपने फादर से सीखा है, राइट? सो उसके हिसाब से जो उसको लगता है कि ये ठीक है और ये गलत है वो करती है. And I think that's the beauty of this character. It was not a very simple character, different with a lot of layers, and that's what makes it more interesting for me. And it gives me a feeling of satisfaction that wow, ये कुछ अलग किया.
अलग किया.
Yeah.
Nice, wonderful. And what about you?
Yeah, first thing, I completely agree with Surbhi about the creative satisfaction you get from these kind of characters. And obviously for me it was a very challenging part. It was a very emotionally challenging thing for me because we started the shoot, we started filming this series from the moment that everything has happened to this guy. Like we were, you know, because firstly you need to live those moments, but that's how it works. You know, that's how you process as an actor.
You don't shoot linear.
Exactly,
you
you
know?
don't shoot linearly. That's how you process as an actor, and you have to imagine. It's a world of imagination. We actors live in imaginations, so it is mere imagination that you have to imagine that everything has happened to me, and these people are my other, you know, love of my life, and they were my friends, and now they have betrayed me, and the pain, the sorrows, the, you know, like whatever that guy has been through, I have to, you know, live through it, and I have to completely do justice for that. So it was a very big emotionally it was an emotional roller coaster ride for me because for that 10-12 days we did that schedule for 10-12 days, and those 10-12 days are the most darkest days of my life, and I swear I won't be able to forget those 10 days from my life, because for the first time I have like literally felt so much, and it was literally affecting my personal life as well, because इससे पहले मैंने जो भी characters play किए हैं, they were happy also, they were sad also, they were happy also, they were sad also, but for this complete 10-day stretch I was just in that dark zone, and I was not able to come out of that zone. I was not using my phone that much, only for work purposes. I was not talking, I was not, you know, I have a different process when I'm you know, performing such kind of scenes. I don't, you know, share my energy with anybody. I don't connect with anybody's eyes as well. I don't see my eyes as well. So yeah, I have, you know, I have been through a great experience filming this show, and yeah, I think the response I'm getting is something that I was really waiting for.
Really,
Yeah.
yes, indeed. And also, in short, you have discovered yourself while doing
Absolutely, because you know, I personally believe, because I had some Shiva in me, that's why they literally cast me for this. She
Yes.
had some Tara in herself,
Yeah.
that's why they had, you know, they had chosen her. So I think obviously there's one particular layer in me that was unexplored, and through Shiva I have explored that layer of myself as well, and I am glad that I'm getting enormous response from the audience, and I'm getting enormous love from the audience. So I think yeah, I think I have justified Shiva as a character.
Yeah, amazing. Thank
Thank
you.
you so much.
Thank you so much. And सुर भी ऐसा लग रहा है कि आप बेगम हैं और दो बादशाह आपके अटेंशन पाने के लिए बेताब हो रहे हैं.
Yeah.
And also I would want to ask you that आपने हीरोइन का भी काम किया है, and you are also working as a villain. And also I would love to ask you कि आगे क्या आप अपने इस रोल को कंटिन्यू करना चाहेंगे? You would love to act as a villain in future.
See, my point is, it is very refreshing to not just play a heroine. मतलब you know, आप अगर कुछ गलत हो रहा है तो आपके साथ अगर कोई बदतमीजी से बात करता है तो आपका मन करता है उसको उसी टोन में जवाब देने का, राइट? यू नो, बट क्लीशे टिपिकल अगर देखें कि अगर कोई अच्छा इंसान है वो हमेशा अच्छाई ढूंढेगा, हमेशा अच्छा बोलेगा. So it was a very good change that, you know, Tara is not like that. You know, she is no bullshit girl.
Yeah.
If you are not nice to me, I'm not gonna nice to you.
Yeah.
So for me, ये character play करना was so refreshing and again so satisfying. I would love to continue playing Tara, and I would love to play Tara in upcoming seasons also. Yeah, because मेहनत जाती है देखो एक कैरेक्टर को समझने में, ठीक है? उसके बाद आप जब एक कैरेक्टर को जीने लगते हैं तो आपको भी प्यार हो जाता है उस कैरेक्टर के साथ. सो दैट्स व्हाई यू आर एबल टू पोर्ट्रे दैट कैरेक्टर विद सो मच ऑफ ऑनेस्टी, बिकॉज आप उस कैरेक्टर को जी रहे होते हैं, आपको समझ में आता है कि ये तारा के साथ गलत हुआ, एंड हियर शी वॉन्ट्स टू क्राई एंड शी इज़ क्राइंग जस्ट बिकॉज ये उसके साथ ठीक नहीं हुआ. सो या, आई थिंक एज एन एक्टर this is the greatest and ultimate feeling that everybody wants to achieve. A, just perform your character with honesty, and B, एक बार जब लोग देखना शुरू कर दें उसके बाद लोगों का प्यार मिल जाए और लोग बोले वाह nice, good
Yeah.
job.
Yeah.
And that's it. There's no
Exactly.
before or after that. There's no in between. It's just that आपका काम लोगों तक पहुंचे और प्यार मिले. That's it.
Yeah, true. And I'm sure कि some audience out there who are watching your performance can relate to you as well.
Yeah, of course, it's a relatable character. Why
Exactly.
not?
Yeah.
Like, you know, yeah.
Right. Yeah. And then also I guess revenge drama वाले lovers को गुना काफी पसंद आएगी. So I want to ask you, आपने heartbreak भी सहा है आपके रोल में.
हाँ.
So how did you actually relate to your role in your personal life, and how did you handle the heartbreaks?
Yeah, I think I'm pretty much Shiva in that, in that thing. I think it's not easy for me to handle heartbreaks. Honestly speaking, I'm not that emotionally strong person. It's pretty, very bold to say that on camera, that I'm really not emotionally that strong to, handle breakups and handle, these kind of emotional intensity. That's why I think I have been chosen for this particular part, because Shiva is somewhere down the line, he's also the same person, but I'm not going to turn into Abhimanyu for the revenge, obviously. Yeah. So I think, yeah, that's how I connect with Shiva. And also Shiva is a gullible person, not a stupid, not a naive person, but he literally loves with all his heart. When he is in love, he doesn't think about, he's a hopelessly romantic guy, and he doesn't, if he's in love, तो उसके फिर he just, there are no conditions. If he's in love, he's in love. So he's not gonna look all those green flags that we see. He's a big green flag, because when he's in love, he's not gonna look he's gonna just say no to all those red flags. Yeah.
Oh, nice. कश्मीर जी ने कहा रिसेंटली एक इंटरव्यू में कि 3.5 इयर्स की वर्किंग जर्नी में द ओनली पर्सन उनके साथ जो कंफर्टेबल रहते हैं, दैट वाज यू. and because the reason he said ki you are very good and you're comfortable also while working with him and you don't judge. So what's your take on that?
He is a great judge of character. परख है उनको इंसान की, मैं पहले भी ये बोला था that he himself is very good. Yeah, that's why you जग कैसा मेरे जैसा,
Oh, wow.
आप खुद अगर अच्छे होते हैं तो आपको शायद सभी अच्छे लगते हैं. But I also I always love to interact with people on set. Otherwise it's a very dead energy, it's a boring energy and I don't want that energy around me. मुझे ऐसा लगता है that अगर आप 24 में से 12 घंटे सेट पे हैं, then why not talk to people?
Oh,
Why
yeah.
not explore and why not just ask questions? Because as I say that for me it's like reading a book. Talking to a new person is like reading a
Reading
book.
a book.
तो आप जानिए उनके बारे में, बात करिए. And why मुझे नहीं समझ में आता any reason कि आप क्यों किसी से बात नहीं करेंगे? Why? Like
Yeah.
and I'm not. For me it's not unprofessionalism. Like they say that वो अपने काम से काम रखते हैं और वो आते हैं सेट पे काम करते हैं चले जाते हैं. To each its own. Very good. I'm not that person. If I'm there I would love to talk to you. मुझे समझ में आएगा मैं आपसे बात कंटिन्यू करूंगी, मुझे नहीं समझ में आएगा मैं दूर हो जाऊंगी. But it's not that कि मैं इनिशिएट ही नहीं करूं.
Exactly.
So that's so sweet of Kashmir that he said that, and he is an amazing actor, very honest. When it comes to acting and performing his character, he comes on the set very well prepared, and he did absolute justice to his character.
Wow. Okay. And how was your experience working with him overall?
I can't work with him obviously because he's
He's the
playing
same
me and I'm playing
person.
him. We are playing the same person. So
Yeah, oh,
I really
yes.
can't work with him.
Yes,
Yeah.
indeed.
Yeah,
Wow.
so there was a time while we both were on the set and I was like, can I give a this passing shot? Abhimanyu is watching Shiva.
Yeah. Wow. Yeah. He didn't work with him.
Yeah.
Okay. एंड ऑल्सो टचवुड नज़र ना लगे, अच्छे दिन नज़र आ रहे हैं आपके निया शर्मा के साथ भी आपका सुहागन चुड़ैल में आप किरदार निभाने वाले हैं. एंड ऑल्सो अगेन दिस सोनी पे भी आपका कुछ आ रहा है खुशी के साथ.
नहीं वो आने वाला था बट वो नहीं आ रहा है. दैट वाज सपोज्ड टू हैपन बट दैट डिडंट हैपन.
ओके.
सो या अच्छे दिन तो मेरे चल आशिकाना से ही अच्छे दिन चल रहे हैं. सो आई थिंक या.
सो हाउ डिफरेंट योर रोल इज from Gunah se Suhagan Chudel?
It's a different character, different world altogether. It's a different realm altogether. It's a different soul altogether. It's it's just like a very regular but not conventional hero. He's just a very conflicted guy. But obviously let's talk about Shiva because Shiva is someone who's completely a different person and Shiva is somewhere a lot like me also as I just told you. And also the thing is now I really love playing emotional characters. I really love to because I think I am good at emotional scenes and I think I'm good at intense scene. I think that's why they have chosen me for this part. So I think and also because I genuinely love playing these kind of characters on screen. So I think it was a great journey working on Gunah. And I think the love I'm getting on both the shows and now I think I'm just more than blessed that रात में 10:30 बजे मेरा एक शो आता है, वो पसंद नहीं आया 12 बजे देख लो, 12 बजे पसंद नहीं आया फिर 10:30 बजे आके देख लो. So it's
Okay, nice.
Yeah.
Well, I want to ask you कि ऐसा कब लगा आपको कि acting is the right profession for you?
पैदा होते
Always.
साथ ही.
Always.
I was
पैदा होते
always
साथ
an
ही.
actor. My mother used to tell me कि तुम क्या मिरर के सामने खड़े होके नौटंकी करती रहती हो, ड्रामाबाजी करती रहती हो. And I've started doing theatre also quite early. Then I started doing very serious theatre like when I was in college. And I've realized that I am my most honest self when I'm acting. Like I only and only enjoy acting the most in my life. And second thing that I enjoy is traveling. So I'm happiest when I'm on the set. So that's why probably I do it so honestly because this is what I want to do and this is what I do passionately and honestly. So I was always an actor.
Yes, वो दिखता भी है.
Wow.
Yeah.
Good. Thank
What
you.
about you? पैदा होते ही.
Yeah, man. I was a born actor, and everybody in my vicinity wanted me to become an actor also because I always used to act, and I think I have done my first performance when I was like 4 years old. I in my school theatres, in my school plays. So I always used to play, and I think started my. I started my acting career as in like the first time I've acted on screen was I played Charlie Chaplin on in my school days and I was like literally 4 or 5 years old. So I think it was always that thing, and I was born with it that I want to become an actor.
Oh, nice. Okay, if not an actor, what would you be?
A writer or a singer?
A teacher.
A teacher.
Yeah, because मुझे ऐसा लगता है teacher can really make or break a student. Like, you know, उनमें बहुत power होती है एक teacher के हाथ में. Like, you
yes.
know, I was always influenced with my teacher. Like, I always have like good memories of my teacher. That smallest of things, like I still remember my teacher from nursery class and you know what she taught me and everything. So yeah, I think a teacher has a great influence on students, and I would, if not an actor, then I would love to be.
I would have
teacher.
been a rock star, I guess.
Oh, Jordan.
Nice.
nice. Well, and also अगर गुनाह से बात की जाए तो के रिलेटेड अगर बात की जाए तो आपने कभी किसी से बदला लिया है, चाहे वो दुश्मन हो या एक्स हो?
ना ना.
ऐसे बदले तो जरूर लिए कि मैंने लात मारी तो मैंने भी लात मारी.
Wow,
बदले.
cute.
क्यों बदले हो गए?
Not गुनाह
मैंने
type
ऐसे
of
मारा,
thing.
मैं भी मारूंगा.
I know. Till the time, yeah, it
It's a
doesn't
reflex.
end.
It's a reflex.
Oh my god.
Yeah. But ये काश सब ऐसे ही बदले ले रहे होते. But that's not what people
Seriously,
do in real life.
seriously,
No, but
seriously.
I'm not a revengeful person.
Even I am not a revengeful person, and I
Yeah.
really can't hold grudge for a lot of time.
Yeah.
Because वो थोड़ा सा रखे, and I'll just burst out for some time, and
क्योंकि
after then
मुझे
I'll
तो
be
लगता है उसमें मेरी एनर्जी बहुत जा रही है.
Why to
obviously
waste
because
time?
you are
मैं बहुत
wasting your
exhaust हो रही
energy.
हूँ उसमें.
Yeah.
Yeah, I
Because,
don't want to do that.
obviously.
Good.
I have better things to do in my life rather than taking revenge.
Of course,
Yeah.
yes, indeed. And also heartbreak से अगर बात की जाए तो अपनी लाइफ में आपने सबसे ज़्यादा heartbreak दिया है या लिया है?
दिया है.
दिया.
Sad. I'm not very proud of it, but sorry. Yeah.
Okay.
मैंने भी दिया है और मैंने लिया भी है.
अच्छा 50-50.
I really can't, measure it, but I think I've been in the boat, in the both. I've been on both sides.
Okay. And also when it comes to marriage, शादी जो वर्ड आप सुनते हो, तो do you get excited or do you get scared कि यार कुछ commitment है, it's a full commitment, you know?
I don't get excited also, and I don't
Yeah.
get scared also,
Scared
because
also.
I think marriage is just one word. I think marriage is just for the society. That's what I believe.
Correct.
It's not because if you don't know the person, if you're not living happy, if you don't, marriage is something. It is just for the society that they are a couple. But I don't think we need I can be wrong, but I have my own right, I have my own perspective about things, I have my own vision. I think marriage is just one thing for the society, and if there's no connect, like there's no marriage.
Yeah.
So I think the first thing is love, second thing is the
Compatibility.
soul to soul connection. If you don't have if you don't have intimacy in the soul, because that is the most crucial part about a couple. So I think marriage is just one word for the society ki, now we are married now. So yeah.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Yeah. So now we're gonna play a fun segment. छोटा सा एक
Please
segment
let's
खेल
do
लेते
that.
हैं.
Let's
Yeah.
do it.
Love it or leave it.
Love it
Love
or
it,
leave it.
Love.
अच्छा.
Yeah,
हाँ.
let's roll it.
Okay. Sharing social media passwords.
Leave it. Why would anybody share social media password?
People do that?
People do that? Seriously?
Some no. Some
Leave
no.
it.
Yeah.
Of course.
Leave it.
Leave it.
Leave the
Long
person.
distance relationship.
Leave it.
Depends.
Oh, for me
Depends.
it's a big leave it.
Leave it.
Depends.
Yeah. Surprise visits.
Am I getting it or I'm giving it?
You're getting it.
You're getting it.
Leave it.
Leave it, please. Leave it.
Yeah.
Celebrating monthly anniversaries.
Leave it. Leave it.
ASAP.
Depends with
It's
the
a lot
person.
of pressure.
Depends
For
on
me,
the
it's a
person
lot of
and
pressure.
what kind of celebration you're doing. I think I don't mind. I love doing small celebration. Yeah, I love that.
You are small yourself.
Yeah.
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 Okay, matching outfits.
With
Love
the
it.
partner?
Love it. Yeah,
Yeah.
love it.
Love
It's
it?
a very cute thing. Yeah, I love it.
Leave it.
Optional. Yeah.
Depends.
Don't give me stress.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Going to bed at the same time.
Leave
Obviously.
it. Leave it.
I mean, it's your choice. It depends.
It's absolutely your choice. If
yeah.
it's happening, absolutely good. If it's
not
not
happening,
happening,
that's also good.
Good.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Couples tattoos, matching tattoos.
Leave it. I don't like it.
Please leave it.
Please leave it.
Please.
Giving each other pet names.
Love
it.
You should do it. Keep
Yeah,
doing that.
I think it comes very organically also.
And after that, you have, because once you started calling your spouses baby, and after that you call them by name, it's disrespect.
Oh.
it's an insult.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Because when you call baby, and after that, Zan, listen, I'm like, dude, don't Zan me. I'm not Zan.
yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Regular double dates.
Double dates?
What is
Regular
that?
double dates. What is
Double
that?
dates, for example, suppose ये वो था partner
हाँ.
and आपके friends अपने partner के साथ आ रहे हैं double date के लिए.
If I'm comfortable, if I'm okay, if they are also equal fun, then I don't mind. Yeah.
Okay, no mind. So
Yeah.
optional.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Depends on the person.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Making big decisions together.
Love it.
Obviously love it, obviously, yeah.
Always prioritizing parents.
Depends.
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 Yeah.
Open relationships.
Depends.
Leave it.
Leave it. Discussing past relationships frequently.
Leave it. Frequently leave it. Otherwise,
See, it's
to get to know the
important.
person,
Yeah.
it's important. But if you're if you're like really,
Obsessing over
हाँ,
it,
then it
it's
is not
wrong.
okay.
Yeah.
yeah,
If your partner is making fun of you in front of your friends.
Leave
depends
it.
what kind of a person, what kind of fun it is.
It's for me in caps lock. Leave it. It's a red
Okay.
flag.
Okay. Doing all activities together.
Leave it.
Family vacations with in-laws.
Depends.
I leave it with my family also because it's
Yeah.
like some family is it's a sort of like sense of
Responsibility.
responsibility.
Yeah.
And for me, it's not a holiday.
Yeah.
It's a mission then.
It's a
Absolutely,
responsibility.
absolutely.
Yeah. So
It's a
please.
responsibility.
Yeah.
Yeah. Taking breaks during arguments.
Love it.
Love it.
Okay. Being friends with ex.
Leave it.
Leave it. Don't do that.
And lastly, when your partner is too friendly with others in events.
Who others?
Like, maybe like
But like, why would I have a problem with that?
industry.
Love it. Why not? Yeah.
Love it.
Why would I have a problem with that?
Well, thank you so much. It was lovely meeting you, and all the very, very best for Guna.
Thank you so much.
much,
Thank you.
Priya.
Thank you for joining Instant
Thank you.
Bollywood.
Thank you.